Hi there, how are you today? We are going to continue talking about colors. So warm colors like red, orange and yellow, they can really brighten up your room, brighten up your homes and create energetic vibes. But a lot of us are not so sure about using them and maybe a little bit afraid about using warm colors. So how do you include warm colors in your interior decor without you feeling like you've ended up with a disaster? So first and foremost, use a lighter version of the warm color. So instead of using red, use blush. Instead of using yellow, use off-white yellow. And instead of orange, use light coral or light brown. So lighter versions of these colors can really help to reflect heat off your homes and cool things down a little bit more. And so I suggest that you use these colors on large surfaces like your wall. Okay, so how about if you want to use a deeper version of the warm color? So if you wish to use a deeper version of the warm color, then use them on smaller objects like cushions or wall art or rugs or vases. So in this way, you can create very interesting eye-catching accents around your room. So just a piece of advice, if you do use deeper colors on smaller objects, they tend to make these objects appear larger. So if you use deeper colors, darker warm colors on large surfaces like your walls, then you tend to create a cozier space and you tend to make your room appear smaller. All right, so that's all for today for our short and sweet segment on interior decor. Until next time, ciao Bella.